Lindsay. I am doing my final presentation speech on time management and why time management is so important and how it will contribute to a positive experience for students. And my daughter Scarlett is also going to be in the video because we are in quarantine. Can you say hi? Say hi, Scarlett. Okay, so the issue of time management can be of great stress on students, myself included. By using different time management strategies, students can be successful, make use of every hour of their day, and limit their procrastination. So, first of all, why is time management so important? Well, respecting your own time constraints and the time of others is a priceless life skill. You can't buy it, but you can hone it. Time is a finite resource. You can't ever get time back. You can't recreate it. What's past is past. And we can accomplish a lot more in the day if our time is used appropriately. So for people with busy schedules like myself, using your time correctly is incredibly important. Well, maybe not. We have a lot of free time now, though, because we are all locked down in quarantine. In the beginning of our semester in your class, we watched a video by a man named Randy Pausch, and he did a lecture on time management that I thought was very impressive. Randy Pausch was a professor and a lecturer who passed of stage 4 pancreatic cancer in 2008. When he did that lecture, he had just been diagnosed with stage 4 pancreatic cancer, so that made it even more impressive and relevant. He was an expert on time management skills. He had a lot of really good points to make, a lot of really interesting things to say. But the one thing that I took away from his presentation was his task grid explanation about making a grid, and you have your least important, most important, do soon, do later. And if you grid those out and you put which ones you actually need to do first, and it's usually the ones that aren't due soon. Those are the ones that you push off until a little later, and do the ones that are due, or the things that you need to get done much sooner. You'll have it done and you'll skip the procrastination that would have happened. And I've been using that a little bit, and it seems to have helped me out quite a bit. Another important tool when it comes to time management is prioritization. Prioritizing is important because if you prioritize the things in your life that are the most important to you, or if you just make a list and prioritize what needs to be done quickest, or what's going to be easiest to done, what's going to be the hardest to do, however you want to prioritize it, as long as you're making priorities, it's going to help you manage your time a lot more efficiently. And prioritizing can help you with not only your time management, but it helps you achieve your goals. And when you achieve your goals, you boost your own self-confidence, you're more likely to move forward in your life, and it helps maintain a work-life balance and keep you able to do what is important to you, which I don't know about you, but that's very important to me, is that I'm not just working to live or living to work. And when you prioritize and you gain efficient time management skills, you're going to have a lot more time for the things that you love. Yeah. No. Okay. Sorry. Thank you. So, like I said, you're going to have a lot more time for the things that you love, whether that's family, friends, hobbies, anything that you love doing, you're going to have a lot more time to do those things if you just figure out a way to manage your time efficiently. You're going to be less overwhelmed and stressed. And there is a saying, work smarter, not harder. And I think that when you use time management skills, you are essentially doing that. You're figuring out how to work the world to work for you. So in summary, these time management tips and tricks will help you feel more energized, rejuvenated, accomplished, and task-oriented when managing your time. There are many reasons to practice good time management skills that will benefit you in an academic setting as well as in the workforce. And this has been a Scarlet broadcast. I hope I don't get points docked for this, but modern problems require modern solutions. So, Scarlet, can you say bye?
Bye.
Say see you later.